Welcome back to day 7. Well, today's challenge is going to be very, very interesting. And we're going to talk about answer the question, who is your ideal customer and why did you start your business that then transitions to your ideal customer? For in my case, coming from the hotel industry, I always thought that where I can provide value is that I learned to redefine new paradigms for the hotel owners, and in this way find a new angle how to grow their business. What I mean by that, it could be an owner that has an independent hotel and they want to have a branding. So we are looking at how to redefine that paradigm and outlook, what kind of is the ideal hotel customer, and then get the right brand for it. Or whether it's a restaurant concept for a hotel, and that means always you need to look at what are the needs of the customers, who are the customers, what are the things that they will enjoy, and that is about redefining the paradigm from the owner's point of view to invest into this venture, because customer tastes and habits evolves all the time, and it's important to keep an eye how this is, and that's where I provide value. So with this approach, the ideal customer is then independent hotel owners, hotel developers who are creating projects, or it could be projects are relating to senior living, so it's not only hotels. So that's what I do. So I like to know what is your ideal customer and why you are in the business. See you tomorrow.